effect of slip may be reduced by increasing the pulley ratio and maintaining the proper level. You can reduce the slip if you put another pulley over. The grip, being the physical characteristic of the belt, cannot itself be controlled. Grip आधी belt तसंच असणार. मागचं melt झालं, timer झालं या. Then it's a physical property of belt cannot itself be controlled. We cannot control it. So slip and grip jointly cause a power loss. So these are the two main cause of the power loss. Now, how you can maintain your belt? Belt that are continuously running for 24 hours or so many months or so many, there may be chance of the belt will get loose or stretched. So we have to maintain the belt dressing we require. So how we can do it? Due to the continuous rubbing on the belt on the surface of the pulley, the belt get dried up due to the friction. Belt dried up, friction and heat is generated. Obviously, there will be heat. This causes the belt to slip. Garam down belt to slip the chances. To keep the belts supple and free from cracks, belt dressing the sadan belt supple and free from cracks we have to apply the belt dressing. The belt dressing tallow or powder resin, chemical matter, tallow and powder resin are a good dressing material which are applied on the inner face of the belt. Improves the gripping property of the belt. So tallow and powder resin to me, belt equally gas get up they apply. So it will improve the gripping property of the belt. This question every exam they ask. Okay. How the belt dressing are which material used for the belt dressing? Okay. Tallow and powder resin. Most of the exam this question they are asked on the belt. How we can do the belt dressing or which type of material used for the belt dressing? Just to apply it on the inner face of the belt. It improves the gripping power of the belt. But up to here, this is clear, no? Slip, grip, belt dressing, velocity ratio. Understood? Maintenance features of V-belt. Now, these are the points of maintenance. V-belt maintain. They are given some remedy recommended how you can troubleshoot such problem. First is what? Belt slip. So the belt slip you can check for the less tension, overload oiliness in the groove of the pulley or belt, oil being this is the cause. Because of this cause, belt gets slip. Belt you have to check. Then remedy recommended. How you can recommend? Increase the tension. Suppose belt loose, you can little bit increase the belt tension. By there is some arrangement disaster, motor pulley you can push little bit further, or travel or driven pulley you can little bit take it away from that, so it will get tight. If both of this not allowed, then you maybe add one ideal pulley. Okay, jockey pulley take additional jockey pulley, ideal pulley, slack side introduce it. So you can avoid the slipping of the belt. Then frequent belt. Here you can reduce the load and oil decrease the grease Second problem is frequent belt spoilage. Belt so there will be smokes are coming and belt getting damaged frequently. Why? Because of excessive heat. There may be shock load. Suddenly there is unload patas. Misalignment. This is very important. Fitter should know what should be the alignment of that. Misalignment, there are chance of belt. Then damage seals. Foreign particles. Suddenly stones been then try overloaded. It's very common. So some slurry big and some school take wood part try then belt gets spot. Darts, slurry and then overloaded. Beyond it, you cannot do it. Then the belt will get spot. And first one, excessive heat, we can remedy on that, provide ventilation or use neoprene jacket type belt. Neoprene means rubber. You can provide ventilation or use neoprene. Fan लावायचा चोड गरम झालेला. Shock load jacket type beds. Misalignment, avoid shock load. Okay, yeah, safe. So a shock load, avoid shock load as far as possible, and then increase the bed height. Misalignment, you have to align the pulley properly. Damage, change the damage pulley. And last, dry overload, provide bed guard. This is commonly. Suppose foreign particle patta, you have to put a bed guard over it. There should not be foreign particle. And dry overloaded, check that all beds in the drive have the same tension. If not, provide a matching bed. Beds wiped excessively. Beds or wipe the center distance between the pulleys is more pulsating loads. Provide an ideal pulley, introduce a flywheel in the drive system. This is another medical. And last, bed squeeze, dry overloaded, inadequate arc of contact and high starting torque. This dry overloaded, check that all the beds in the drive are evenly loaded. Provide an ideal pulley, increase the bed tension. So these are all same. But so the physical problems occur when the implant motion in manufacturing. Then what should be the bed tension? The bed tension we can calculate also. There are some analytical processes. What should be the bed tension? But if you go fire study, there is some calculation like that. You have to go all the analytical process, bed tension, everything, arc of angle of belt. The belt must be tensioned accurately to transfer the torque from the driving pulley to the driven pulley to prevent unnecessary wear. So it has to be accurate tension. Too much of belt tension cutters belts and bearing wear. At the belt stretch in use, it is necessary to check and adjust the belt drive tension. When the drive is transmitting power, the belt pulls or the belt tension. There is a tight side tension TT and slack side tension TS. This is the denotation of the belt tension. TS means it's a tension in slack side. TT means tension in the tight side. So this is the tight side, this is slack side. This is the driver. So tension ratio is a ratio of the tight side to the slack side tension. Is commonly referred to as a tension ratio. Tension ratio by it's a ratio of tight side to the slack side. Suppose tension is given by tight side 10, slack side 5, whatever they given, then it's a tight side to the slack side 10/5. It's a ratio. Higher ratio between the tight side and slack side tension makes the bed loose and slip. This causes the lack of effective pull for transferring the required torque. Now, adjustment of the tension. Suppose there is continuously there is a loose, bed is getting loose, and we need to adjust the tension. So in this case, we can recommend go for this type of pulley is called jockey pulley or ideal pulley. Jockey pulley is same. When the distance between the pulley is fixed, the tension of the belt is adjusted by an ideal pulley. When the distance between the two pulleys is not fixed, the tension of the belt is adjusted by the adjustment screw. Suppose distance between the two pulleys is not fixed, you can indicate the length also. Then you can there is some adjustment screws are provided here. You can tighten it, so you can push this pulley a little bit further. So your belt get tension. This type of equipment you will find in the industry all model. Arc of contact. The tension is necessary to create friction between the pulley and the belt. So this is where it requires also tension is necessary to create the friction between the pulley and the belt. But tension right now the best pulley it has to. Torque transmission depend on the contact area of the belt over the pulley. So wherever this arrow molecule is all the area of contact of the belt on the pulley. So this is a driver, this is a retriever. If the wrapping angle is big, the pulley can transmit high torque. Full wrapping angle bara, the pulley can transmit the full torque. The last, belt efficiency. To provide maximum arc of contact, following points should be considered. Heavy belts of multi-plate construction should not be used on a smaller diameter pool. If you have to check that. If the arc of contact is insufficient because of the short center distance between the pulley, the jockey pulley should be introduced as near to the small pulley as possible. Suppose we cannot increase the length, then it has to, and the arc of contact you have to increase, then definitely you have to go for the jockey pulley. So to add one more jockey pulley over there, and you can get that. Excess tension in the belt reduce the arc of the contact and introduce the additional stress which drastically reduce the life of the belt and bearing. Vertical drives should definitely to avoid it because of the belt tension necessary to withstand gravitational pull and accompanying the slippage would result in adversity. On the open belt drive, the slack side must be at top and center distance between the pulley should be maximum. How we can measure the tension in the belt? So analytical problem. This theory part we'll see. So this is a from center to center distance of the pulley. To determine the force required to deflect one belt per 25 mm span length, apply a force particular to the span at the center of the belt large enough to deflect one belt to 0.5 mm span from its normal position. Compare this deflection force with the range forces given in the table below. Recommended deflection force per belt for class V belt. This is a V belt cross section A. So I thought how the belt sections are there. So this V belt crosses A, B, C, D. These are the letters are given based on the width thickness of the belt. And cross section remaining all this. Small shaved dia range from 7, whatever the range. Speed ratio should be 2 to 4. Recommended deflection force kg that is all in given. For A belt, B belt, C belt. So 11.6 B. These are the thickness or shaved dia ranges with belt tension should be adjusted in such a way that the deflection force is in between the maximum and care and maintenance of the belt drive. Keep the pulley face and belt free from foreign materials which may cause slip. This you have to take care when you are doing the work in the maintenance department or machine operator as well as maintenance work you have to do, then you have to take care of all this. Okay, you should keep away from any foreign metals which may cause slip. When the belt, V belts be to show sign of wear, they should be replaced. V belt mass suplos or dista dunga. It may be wear or you can notice you have to replace it immediately. Then replace all the belt in a multi-V belt drive rather than a single. Suppose each belt damage if it is a multi-belt drive, and there are 4 belts are going to the V pulley. We have to replace all 4. You cannot replace one. Then check the belt drive tension periodically. You have to check the belt drive periodically. Store belt in cool, dark, and dry place. It has to store in the cool, dark, and dry place. So these are the general care and maintenance of the belt and belt. Understood? Types of the belt drive we already covered. Open belt drive, closed belt, cross belt. So cross is not closed, cross belt drive. The open belt drive. This is called cross belt drive. Advantage is the belt drive. This should be finished for a failure. Up to here is clear. No? So we will start coupling topic on the next question. We stop here. Okay, Chapaja about sweep, creep, velocity ratio. याद की दाद Alan, you want anything? That equation you should remember. Velocity ratio is equal to n2 upon n1. Velocity ratio in the case of diameter. In terms of diameter, that d1 upon d2. If thickness of the belt is given, you have to add it. Okay. D plus T. So, Okay, fine.